2019 Nissan Frontier Pro4X Off-Road, 2019 Nissan Frontier King Cab, 2019 Nissan Frontier SV4X4, buy new cars. Although the current version of Frontier pickup truck records excellent results in the market, Nissan is preparing a new generation of the vehicle. First spy shots were taken, and it is a matter of time when will the company make it official. However, truck for 2018 is still fresh, so it will have some time to reach decent selling records before all attention of truckers turns to 2019 Nissan Frontier. Buyers in the USA already know what to expect from 2019 Frontier. Reliable, ready to tow on and off the road, while also being stylish. These are all characteristics of pickup. The redesign will lead to a new generation, where we could find new engine lineup. Further news about the release date is still unavailable at this point. The same is with the price and equipment of each trim level and cab configuration. Pickup truck segment with 2019 Frontier will no longer be just working mules. More and more buyers are looking for comfort and safety as they get it from crossovers. In Nissan, this was taken very seriously. They work hard and designers will try to create an extremely high-quality vehicle. By boasting appearance and reliable engines with fuel-friendly nature, it will get likes from truckers in the USA. This vehicle is also available in Europe as Nissan Navara. 2019 Nissan Frontier release date. The chiefs in Nissan will probably wait for 2019 to launch the new generation of Frontier. Current 2018 season model is still fresh, and it needs some time to live in the market. Because of that, the company is not going to make an official announcement for 2019 Nissan Frontier. So, while the existing model still sells, the Japanese carmaker won't rush with a new generation of truck. Production. The big news is about the new factory where 2019 Nissan Frontier is going to be assembled. Production is moved to Kenton, Mississippi. Also, new Titan is on the lines in this factory, as well as models from other classes Murano, NV Cargo, and NV Passenger. Nissan in North America has its departments for styling, engineering, finances, marketing, and everything else a big company needs for such market. Also, this carmaker is one of the leaders in green technologies, so it is not a surprise why it earns many rewards each year for environmental protection. 2019 Nissan Frontier engines. A new generation that starts with 2019 Nissan Frontier will exploit the same petrol units as its predecessors. These are the 2.5L 4-cylinder unit for the entry-level model and 4.0-liter V6 for higher trims. The output of inline-4 drivetrain is 150 HP and 170 lb-ft. Experts believe that revisit could boost overall mileage from the current level. A 5-speed transmission box is standard with manual shifting. The automatic gearbox is optional. Also, this unit is coming with a CVT-CS system. The other drivetrain is more potent than 4-cylinder unit. A V6 is capable to deliver 260 horses and 280 lb-ft of torque. Platinum-tipped spark plugs will provide durability and FFV system comes with an automatic gearbox. Nevertheless, compared to the 2.5L engine, this one makes energy for the all-wheel drive as an optional method. Diesel. The cooperation of Nissan and Cummins resulted in Frontier Diesel Runner truck. However, this concept vehicle is now about to become the production model. Well, not exactly the same truck we were seeing before is coming since it is going to be modified for streets. Cummins made a 2.8L turbo diesel unit for the biggest addition to 2019 Nissan Frontier lineup. With the V8 powertrain, torque level for pickup will go up to 350 horsepower. Also, it delivers 220 HP of energy through an 8-speed transmission. 2019 Nissan Frontier exterior and interior. Base models of the 2019 Nissan Frontier are coming with 16-inch wheels. Standard features also include rear privacy glass and the rear bumper in color of the body. Upper, SV trim comes with chrome grille and body color front bumper. Power mirrors are outside the vehicle. Inside, a 5-inch display comes standard for all trim levels. Passengers are getting 4-way power seats, while driver's chair has 4 extra ways for this function. USB port, streaming audio, and RDS are standard features, and models with more equipment offer Sirius audio. Nissan Frontier Pro4X. Once again, one of the most popular versions of the truck Pro4X will be available for 2019 Nissan Frontier. It comes with a 4.0L engine and 6-speed transmission. Extra features are making it so special. So, if we start from up front, we will see fog lights and satin chrome grille. Furthermore, compared to its siblings, both bumpers are body-colored. Heated outside mirrors will improve overall safety. The Pro4X also comes with a larger display as a part of the infotainment system. Hands-free systems for texting and calling are improvements for 2019 Nissan Frontier. Evasive. Plenty of safety features are available already on base models of 2019 Nissan Frontier. The company developed their own airbag layout for maximum protection in their vehicles. There are seat, side, and roof-mounted curtains for critical situations. Also, ABLS and latch are standard equipment right from the S trim level of 2019 Frontier. 2019 Nissan Frontier cab configurations, options. The 2019 Nissan Frontier is available only in 2 cab configurations. King cab is coming only with the 2-door layout. Crew cab is larger, and there is more room in the cabin. Other options include 4x2 and 4x4 drives. For King cab 4x2 we have 4 different models of truck, 2 of each 4-cylinder or V6 unit. On the other hand, the same cab with 4x4 drive drops all trims but SV V6. However, this is the first choice where we can see Pro4X package. Crew cab has 5 different trim levels with either 4x2 or 4x4 drive. Prices. Base models of the 2019 Nissan Frontier will be pretty affordable. The truck comes with a price tag under $20,000. It will be cheaper than upcoming Ford Ranger or Jeep Scrambler is going to cost. Although Pro4X is the most attractive model in the lineup, it is not the most expensive. Top of the range is an SL trim which carries many extra and premium features. Thanks.